Hello dear students, good morning. Hope you have revised the previous session of our physical education and understood well about the definition of physical education, aims and objectives of physical education, which we have discussed in our previous video. There are many educationists who have defined about the physical education. You have to go through that. Then aim, highest target of physical education, that also you have to understand well. And the objectives, I have told that there are four main objectives. First one is physical, then mental, social and emotional development of an individual. So hope you understood all the things in our previous video. Now today we are going to discuss about the career options in the field of physical education. Career options, now you are in 11th class. After that you will be appearing for the board examination. You have to select something which can help you to make your career, whatever you have think before, whatever you want to be in your life in future. So I think it is very important phase in your life nowadays, when you have to decide yourself what you are going to do, and accordingly you have to choose subjects and the interest wherever you have, and then you can make a bright future. That will make you that will help you to make a bright future. So in the field of physical education, first of all, you should have deep interest. If you are a player or a sport person, if you want to make career in the field of physical education, you can opt this subject. So I hope that you have chosen this subject because of your keen interest, and you are very playful, and you have the sportsman spirit. So you have chosen this option, physical education, in your 11th class. So today we are going to discuss about the career options. What you can be if you choose in physical education, or if you want to be a sports person, what should be the career options? So that all things we will discuss today. Hope you understood before that a little bit about the exam. Hope you understood in our previous video itself कि there will be objective questions and mark will be given on each question, 1 mark, and time will be allotted. Within time you have to finish an examination. That will be online. So let us discuss about the career options in the field of physical education. As you can see, myself, I am teaching you all in about the physical education. So first career option you can take as a teacher. You can be a teacher in the field of physical education. You can teach in schools, you can teach in sport colleges, you can teach anywhere, wherever you want. You can teach online also. So for being a teacher in physical education, there are a few courses which you have to undergo and qualify, and then you can be a physical education teacher. The next option is a coach. But for being a coach, you should be related to some sport, and you have good experience about that. Then you can be the coach of any sport or any game. In our school, you can see that basketball Sunil sir is teaching. He is having good experience, and he was a national player in basketball. So nowadays he is giving coaching. He is teaching you the skills, the basics, and everything. Everything he is teaching you in basketball, so that you understand well and play well. So these all things are there. So if you want to be a coach, you have to be a good career in the field of sport. You have to have a good experience. Then only you can be a coach, and then you have to go some certification, and then you can work as a coach independently, freelancer, or in any institution. That depends entirely on you. As a physical training and instructor, to choose this as a career, one must possess certified diploma after 12th class and good physical fitness abilities. If you are physically very fit and you have a certification in that particular field, you can be a physical training instructor. As a specialist or official of game, if you have played any game for a long time, or you are a national or international player, you can work as an official in any sport activity or championship or tournament. So you can give your services as a specialist or official of the game. Nowadays very popular yoga. Yoga, you can say, in lockdown also many people, those who were not doing anything, they also sat at home and they perform many asanas and many things they have learned in this critical time, during the time of lockdown. So yoga is very popular nowadays. Earlier also it was very popular, but nowadays people understand the benefits of yoga, so they are doing a lot, and the requirement of yoga instructors are highly increased. Certified yoga instructors are very less. If you opt it as a career in field of yoga, you have to go some certification, and then you can work as a yoga instructor. You have to know about the deep aspects and everything, knowledge of yoga, and then you can give your services to those who require it. As a sports journalist or commentator, whenever you see a match, suppose a cricket match you have seen, you have observed that there are few who are delivering their comments over the different parts of that tournament. So you can work as a commentator, but for that you have to be knowledgeable in the particular game. As a commentator and journalist also you can be. Sports journalist, those are publishing in newspaper their articles about sports and games. They are known as the sports journalist. For that you have to go for journalism in sport. You have to certify yourself, and then you can work as a journalist. And commentator, you have to have good knowledge about in that particular field of sport or game. Very famous personalities now you can see, you might be knowing Harsha Bhogle. He is a commentator in cricket, and sport journalist, there are many. So if you want to choose it as a career, you have to go for some certification, and you have to have a good knowledge about the particular sport or game. As a dietitian or physiotherapist, dietitian's role is very important. And their demand is very high. Their requirement is nowadays very high, because people want to have good diet. For that sake, they consult with the dietitian. Those can prescribe the proper diet chart for them according to their age, their sex, their gender, you can say. So they have good, they are prescribing good diet, and they can, people if go through that, they feel energetic, they feel good through their physical movement. So dietitian's role is very important. Then physiotherapist, those who have, if you have any problem, they try to resolve the problem through physical activities or physical movement. So those are physiotherapists. Suppose any person is there and his hand is broken, and after the plaster sometime when it is opened, so you have little difficulty in opening your hand. So that time you have to consult with the physiotherapist. They will help you to understand and help you to move your body part in the previous position as you were doing earlier before the fracture. So they help you a lot in that. So their role and their demand also increase nowadays very much. As a biomechanics, means talented and good researchers in the field of sports. So they are highly demanded in different workshops or different industries where they are manufacturing the sport goods and sport equipment. Biomechanics are very much demanded. They developed the scientific tools which help the human race. They are required in the growing industries. As an administrator or officer or employee, a good sport person is a good leader and good organizer. This helps him to act as a good administrator. Many physical educationalists are especially required as administrators, director, manager, etc. in different firms, different industries. Lot of private companies, limited companies, semi-government companies, government sector firms, etc. prefer a sport person. In government jobs also there are sport quotas through which you can be a government servant if you want to be. So many players are chosen for these professions, like in railways, airways, police, defense, banking, electricity boards, etc. They are joining and they are serving there. So these are the career options in the field of physical education. Hope you all have understood. And if you want to make your career in the field of education, I believe that you have chosen this. That's why you are here. And act accordingly. Try to get good knowledge about the field, and definitely it will help you to make your future bright. There are many courses available which you can go through, and you can develop your skills and abilities. That we'll discuss now. First one is a Bachelor of Physical Education. It is Bachelor degree, BP.Ed, Bachelor of Physical Education. For this course, you have to qualify your 12th examination. Then you can give the entrance test. If you qualify, you can go for the BP.Ed, Bachelor in Physical Education. Duration of this exam, earlier it was 3 years, but now it is integrated. It is of 4 years. Master of Physical Education. After the bachelor's degree, you can go for the master's in the same field, the field of physical education. Its duration is of 2 years. Many universities are offering these courses. You can find it out and you can apply there. There are postgraduate diploma in fitness management, PGDFM. For this course, you should have obtained minimum 45% marks in bachelor degree in any discipline from any recognized university. Its duration is of 1 year. Postgraduate diploma in sport management, PGDSM, should have obtained minimum 45% marks in your bachelor's degree in any discipline from any recognized university. Its duration is also of 1 year. Then there are many other courses also. Postgraduate diploma in sports journalism. If you want to, as we discussed as a career option, sports journalist. So if you want to be a sports journalist, you have to go for this course. PGDSJ, postgraduate diploma in sports journalism. You should have obtained minimum 45% at your graduation level from any university, and its duration is of 1 year. Master's degree in coaching. Those who have good experience in matches and they have good sports career, they can work as a coach. As I told you that if you have good experience, you can go for it. So for this, you must have to graduate in any subject from any recognized Indian or foreign university. Then diploma course in coaching from SAI or NIS. SAI means Sport Authority of India, Patiala or its other academic centers with minimum 60% of marks. Then aptitude for research work and sport proficiency you should have. Its duration is of 2 years. Then we have other diplomas, courses in sport coaching. NIS diploma you have, certificate course in sport coaching, postgraduate diploma in sport medicine. Means that you have to Bachelor of Medicine or Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS, from any recognized Indian or foreign university and approved by the Medical Council of India. And 1 year compulsory rotatory internship. If you have possessed these things, you can go for postgraduate diploma in sport medicine. Its duration is of 2 years. So these all are the various courses available in the field of physical education. Hope you all have understood. And earlier physical education as a profession was not recognized in society and had poor social status. But the growing demand of educational institutions like schools, colleges, universities, clubs, training centers, recreation centers, parks, etc. has increased the status and recognition of career in physical education. Today, the professionals of physical education are easily adjusted in the good standard jobs. Thus, this profession is a great demand in educational field, private sector, public sector, industries, everywhere. For career in sport and physical education, one should have an interest, first of all, in physical education activities, sport and games. One should possess a high level of physical fitness, a good health, sound mental ability, competitive spirit and emotional balance. Only then you can go for the career in the field of physical education. And all the good sport person having these qualities in their self. So hope you understood everything. Try to recall the things which we have discussed here now about the career options in the field of physical education. There are many career options that we have discussed as a teacher, as a dietitian, as a fitness coach, as a training instructor, as a physiotherapist, as a biomechanics, as an official or commentator, journalist. There are many options in the field of physical education. So that all we have discussed. Courses as a BP.Ed, MP.Ed, Bachelor of Physical Education degree, Masters of Physical Education degree. Then you have postgraduate diploma in sports medicine. These all things, these all you can make choose as an option for making a career in the field of physical education. So understand it well and try to recall it once more time. Thank you.